Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel again. Today we are going to Shivasamudra Waterfalls and we have a camera girl with us.
Know when your body feels so tired to get out of bed, you put your heart on a letter to chase it away. 'Cause and it's all because of you. Hey, what's gonna give you more time forever? Know what they say.
Shivasamudra is a popular waterfall on the river Kaveri located in Chamarajanagar in the Mandya district.
And never really care.
The second largest waterfall in India and the 16th largest in the world.
Think of you when I'm sleeping with someone new. I can't help myself, I wondered if you.
Surrounded by deep forests of the Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary, the river Kaveri forms two branches while flowing down the hill, forming Barachukki and Gaganachukki Falls. Falls can be visited between 8 am and 5 pm on all days. Shivasamudra is 133 kilometers from Bengaluru and 78 kilometers from Mysuru. Mysuru is the nearest airport and railway station.
Looking back, wishing that we got married. Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, did I ever really care? I don't think I did.
The location is famous for Asia's first hydroelectric power station that was set up in the year 1902 and is still functional. The Gaganachukki waterfalls are best viewed from the Shivasamudra watchtower. There is also another approach to Gaganachukki Falls, that is from the Dargah, which provides the best view of the right branch of the falls.
Someone new,
The best time to visit Shivasamudra Falls is from July to Jan. The nearby attractions you can also explore are Talakadu, which is 28 kilometers, BR Hills, which is 53 kilometers, and Bhimeshwari, which is 55 kilometers.
I just close my eyes and